Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use GeoGebra, this website here, in order to create a parabola. Very exciting. We'll do something later in class, something more physical where we can do this. So this sort of looks like Desmos, as you may have noticed, but there's a couple more features, and to get to them we're going to go over here with the circle and the triangle. Technically you don't have to go here, but I like this application. I'll show you why. Now we're going to go to press point. I'll show you why this is pretty cool. So first we're going to make 2 points. Okay, not all that cool yet. And then we're going to scroll down until we see lines. Next, I want you to click line. Not segment, but line. Not array, line. Okay? And then we're going to click A and B. Boom! Now we have a line, and they sort of sneakily named it F, which could come in handy later on. Not for this one, not in this video, but later on we're going to need it. And then we're going to go back up to point, and we're going to create another point on the line, and then one more off it, just like that. Then we're going to scroll back down to the lines, and we're going to choose segment. So segment is just like a line here like F, except it's finite. It doesn't go on for forever like a line does. So a segment is just a segment of a line, a portion of a line. To create that, we're going to have clicked segment, and you can see it's selected, it's purple, and we're going to click C and then D. Boom, we have a segment, and it also named that F, which will be useful in the future. Not quite right now, but useful to notice. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click perpendicular bisector. That is a fancy name for a line that cuts another line in half, right? And you can't cut an infinite line in half, but you can cut a finite one in half. So that's the one we're going to click. Click that one. Boom, we just cut it in half. We're almost there, almost ready to make our parabola. We're going to go back to the calculator portion, and you can see this is where all the names are, all this fun stuff. But we don't need to worry about that just yet. Definitely not for this next part. So now we're going to click on this perpendicular bisector, which was named H, as you can see down here and over there. We're going to click on it. We're going to click these 3 dots. Click on the dots, and it's going to say Show Trace. It's going to have all these other dots. That's what you're going to click next. Boom, you click it. Oh, it doesn't look like much happened. Well, now click and hold on C. So click, hold on it, and drag it around. And it's showing you where that perpendicular bisector, as it gets dragged around, traces towards. You'll notice it's creating our little parabola. And if you get tired of moving it back and forth, you can let go. Click over here to the gear with the settings. Select Clear All Traces. And ta-da! It's back. Okay, and then you can experiment with other things like, say, moving this point in a different spot. Clear all traces, and seeing if you make a different shaped parabola, which, whoa, it looks like we do. And so that's what I want you to play around with, see how skinny or wide your parabolas can get. Thanks for enjoying the video. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can just rewatch this video again and again until you get it.